Good morning, scholars. Today we're going to continue our way through Herodotus Book 1, looking at chapter 23. This is the introduction to the incident of Arion and the Dolphin. Periandros de ein kypselupais hutos ho toi thrastubuloi to kresterion menusas. Eterane uede ho periandros Corintu. Toi de leguse Corinthioi, homologeuse desfe lesbioi, in toi bioi doma megiston parastenai. Arion ton metumnaion, epidelpinos, ex enectenta epitainaron, eonta kitaroton, ton dote eonton, udenos deuteron, kai dithurambon, proton anthropon, ton heme sidmen, poiesanta te kai onomasanta, kai didaxanta in Corinthoi. So, periandros de en kypselupais, hutos hotoi thrasubuloi, to kresterion menusas, eterane de ho periandros Corinthu, toi de leguse Corinthioi, homologeuse desfe lesbioi, en toi bioi doma megiston parastenai. So, manuo is to disclose what is secret, manusas being, of course, the first aorist masculine singular participle. Homologeo with the dative objects means to agree with X. And for the ste, you can see Smythe's treatment of the personal pronouns at 325D. Doma, with an omega, is the equivalent in Ionic of daoma in Attic, something to marvel at, a wonder, a miracle. And parastanai, second aorist infinitive of paristeme, is to happen to someone and takes a dative object. So, periandros de ein kypselupais, hutos hotoi thrasubuloi, to kresterion menusas. Eteraneu de ho periandros Corinthu, toi de leguse Corinthioi, homologeuse desfe lesbioi, in toi bioi doma megiston parastenai. Arion ton metumnaion, epidelpinos ex enectenta epitainaron, eonta kitarodon, ton dote eonton, udenos deuteron, kai dithurambon, proton anthropon, ton hemes idmen, poiesanta te kai onomasanta, kai didaxanta in Corinthoi. So, delpis, delpinos, the genitive is a dolphin. Ex enect is our aorist passive stem from ekpero, meaning to be cast ashore in the passive. Kitaroidos is a kithara player. I just substitute guitar, but kithara player. Udenos deuteros, second to none. The dithyramb is a form of a song that was a stage on the way to full out tragedy. Arion and Dithyram and his role therein are recounted in Aristotle's Politics when he's talking about the development, the evolution of tragedy in Greece. Onomaz, though, to call by name, although it's unclear exactly what he is meaning by this verb here. Didasko, to teach, i.e. actually producing performances. So, Ariona ton ne thumnaion, epidelpenos ex enectenta epitainaron, eonta kitarodon, ton tota eonton, udenos deuteron, kai ditharambon proton anthropon ton hemes idmen, poiesanta te kai onomasanta kai dedaxanta in Corinthoi. So we see Tainaron is Tainarum. It's this mid point at the bottom of the Peloponnesian Peninsula. So you see there at the bottom. And as we'll find out, this happened to Arion when he was returning from Sicily. So that will happen in the next episodes. And then you see Corinth at the top of this map of the Peloponnese. And if you leave Attica in the morning in a car, you can get to Corinth if you leave Athens in the morning in a car, you can get to Corinth very easily for lunch. Okay, so peri andros de en kypselu pais hutos hotoi thrasubuloi to kresterion menusas. Et tyraneu de ho peri andros Corinthu. Toi de legusi Corinthioi, homologeus des lesbioi, in toi bioi, doma, megaston, parastenai. Ariona ton me dumnaion, epidelpinos ex enectinta epitainaron, eonta kitarodon, ton tote eonton udenos deuteron. Kai diturambon, proton, anthropon, ton emes idmen, poiesanta te kai onomasanta, kai dedaxanta in Corinthoi. And you know this, the uses of de and kai and te are pretty straightforward here, but note the use of de with to de leguse to kind of bring home the important point. And to him, they say that there really occurred, the Corinthians do, a miracle, a great miracle in his lifetime. Toi de leguse Corinthioi. Okay, so such is the introduction to the incident of Arion and the Dolphin. We'll be following this up with two-part treatment of the incident itself, since it's somewhat of a long tale. Okay, I'll see you again soon. Continue working hard on your Greek, and thank you for your interest, especially, and for your support on Patreon. Goodbye.